The Boating Adventure Channel Update number 11. Welcome to the Lisbon House studio. I'd like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, and especially to those who have subscribed since my last update at the end of July. It has now taken the number of subscribers over the point where a community tab has been added to the channel, and I've already started making use of it, and from now on you'll be able to find these updates there. You will see from the video list that I have been very busy lately, as well as the video that I've just published called Making Memories featuring my grandson Zach. I already have another 8 videos ready to premiere, and the video that I'm working on at the moment will be published on the 29th of October 2022. I have already recorded and completed my Christmas video, which will be published on Christmas Eve. Although it is one of the shortest videos, I know that it always takes the longest to do, so I like to get it finished around about August. You may have noticed that I have changed the time that I publish my videos on Saturday morning, so they start at 8 o'clock. That's to encourage as many people as possible to join in with the live chat as they are aired for the first time on Saturday mornings. So if you fancy chatting and watching at the same time, then please do join in. The videos coming up are Everyone Has Little Accidents, Cruising Through Leicester, Quintessentially English, Tunnel and Staircases, Nothing for Tea, then Crick Marina, and KFCing on the Erewash Canal. I would also like to say a big thank you to Steve, who has been working hard to produce original music for all of those videos and exclusively for this channel. This Saturday I'm going to be out and about at the Shardlow Port Festival, so if you see me, say hi and receive a channel pin badge. Thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.